Alright guys, let's go. Select soccer. Select soccer. Good luck. Select soccer. Got a Claudio Bravo for Chile. That would be a X-Fractor, Atomic, whatever. You got a gold one, not numbered. You got a Enzo Perez. Enzo Perez, Valencia. Got a thick one, National Pride, Dimitri Habit. Dimitri Habit. That one is not numbered for France. Got a Romelu Lukaku. That one not numbered either. Got a Iceland Gylfi Sigurdsson. Not numbered. Got a Mario Gomez, Germany. That one is numbered to 125. Numbered to 125 for Germany. Got a Spain's Sergio Ramos, not numbered. Get your first relic card. You've got for Austria's Mark Gianco. Austria, Mark Gianco, number 299. Number 299. Base. Got a Mexico's Jesus Corona. Jesus Corona. Refractor, you got Fernando Muslera. Fernando Muslera, not numbered. Got a Ezekiel Lavesi for Argentina, number 299. Got a Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba, not numbered. Your auto, it is a die cut for Mexico to 35, Guillermo Ochoa. Guillermo Ochoa, number to 35 for Mexico. Your base. Got a Dimitri Payet for France. Base. Last pack, box number 1. Got a refractor of Mateo Kovic for Croatia. Number 299. Number 299. Number 2, box 2. Got a Leonardo Bonucci. Not numbered. Got a Dimitri Payet for France. Got a relic. You got Iker Casillas. Iker Casillas. Your base. Refractor Lorenzo Insigna for Italy, number 299. Got a Dele Alli for England, not numbered. Auto. This one is number 220. You got for Brazil, Pele. Brazil, number 20, Pele. Three base. Got a Hungary's Gabor Kirillov. Not numbered. You got a red X-Fractor. You got a Giorgi Cellini. Number 249. Refractor, you've got Uruguay's Jose Jimenez. Numbered to 299. Got a Gylfi Sigurdsson for Iceland, not numbered. Got a thick one of Belgium's Lukaku. Lukaku for Belgium. That one is numbered to 20. Numbered to 20. Got a David Alaba. Not numbered. Got a Jermaine Jones. Jermaine Jones for the United States. Die cut for Joe Ledley. Die cut Joe Ledley, numbered to 249. Last pack, box 2. Got a Jesus Corona for Mexico. Got a relic for Wesley Sneijder. Wesley Sneijder. Base. Finish now, box 2. Number 3, box 3. Got a Gareth Bale for Wales, not numbered. Got a Cesc Fabregas. 3 base. Fabregas is not numbered on that National Pride. Got a Derjo Cerna, Croatia. Not numbered. Got a Bartosz Kubocka for Poland. Not numbered. Got a Sergio Aguero, Argentina. Not numbered. Got a Gianluigi Buffon to 75. Buffon to 75. Free base. Die cut of Douglas Costa, numbered 149. Got a Mario Gomez for Germany. Face. Got a Ivan Perisic, Croatia, numbered to 299. Got a Javier Mascherano, not numbered. Got a Joe Hart for England. Joe Hart numbered to England. That is numbered to 30 on your Joe Hart. Tie-dye to 30. Joe Hart. Got a Diego Roland. Not numbered. Jersey relic. Number 2. This one's not numbered, of Gianluigi Buffon. Free base. Got a Seamus Coleman. Seamus Coleman. Got a Danny Rose. Danny Rose. Auto, you've got for Italy, number to 199, Massimo Odo. Massimo Odo. Three base. Box number 4. Box 4. Got a Eden Hazard, Belgium, not numbered. This one's only got 2 cards in there. You've got Rui Patricio for Portugal, not numbered. Jersey relic, you've got Cristiano Ronaldo, not numbered, for Portugal. Ronaldo jersey. 3 base. Die cut, you've got Kingsley Coleman. Kingsley Coleman, excuse me, number to 60. Got a Anatoly Tomashik, the Ukraine, number to 299. Got a Wayne Rooney for England, not numbered. Auto, you've got Italy, number to 75, Giancarlo Antogni, number to 75. 3 base. Got another Wayne Rooney, that one not numbered. Got a Sky's the Limit of Oliver Giroud for France. That one is not numbered. Got a Marco Aronadic, not numbered. Got a John O'Shea for Ireland, not numbered. John O'Shea for Ireland. Got a Marco Verratti, tie-dye, number 230. Marco Verratti, tie-dye, number 30. Last 2 packs, and we'll move on to some limited football. Got a Jermaine Lens, not numbered. And the last pack, finishing out Select Soccer, you've got a Zoltan Jure for Hungary, not numbered. Midfielder for Hungary. Finishing out Select Soccer.